Hi, South by Southwest EDU. I'm Dr. Esperanza with 20 years of teaching experience, 15 years of content creation, and 340,000 YouTube subscribers. An idea has taken me across the country and across the Pacific. From Philadelphia to Anaheim, all the way here in the Philippines, teachers everywhere are asking the same questions. Why is online classes always feel dead? And it's all because of this. One tiny box, one giant slide, and a teacher that no one could really see. Now watch what happens when you stop presenting and start broadcasting. Now we're seeing multiple angles, live annotations, and we basically make thinking more visible. Same content, same teacher, but totally different route. So from this workshop that I'm presenting across the US and all the way here in the Pacific, I basically show them how to make Zoom classes even more engaging. So I built this app for free. Teach it like you stream it. And none of this belongs behind a paywall. I'm not asking for a stage. I am inviting South by Southwest to help me build a bigger one. Teach it like you stream it. See you in Austin. Bye.